there, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious and easy keto dinner. Italian sausage and veggie foil packets. Start by preheating your grill or oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, take some Italian sausages and slice them into smaller pieces. Now grab some bell peppers, zucchini, and onions and chop them up into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, toss the veggies with some olive oil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Divide the veggie mixture into foil packets, then top each one with the sliced Italian sausage. Fold the foil packets tightly, ensuring that everything is sealed inside. Place the packets on the grill or in the oven and cook for about 20-25 minutes, or until the sausages are fully cooked and the veggies are tender. Carefully open the packets and serve hot. This Italian sausage and veggie foil packets recipe is not only keto-friendly, but it's also easy to customize with your favorite vegetables and seasonings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious keto recipes. Happy cooking!